In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription pop-up to your Wix website. If you're looking to build your audience and connect with your visitors, integrating a subscription feature is a fantastic way to start. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. If you haven't already created one, make sure you set up an account on the Wix website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. At the top right of your screen, you'll see the Site Design button. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the website design page, let's focus on enhancing interactivity by adding some elements. Look for the option to Add Elements on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking this will present a host of options. What we want is to dive into the interactive category, so go ahead and click there. As we explore the interactive section, you'll notice an option called Lightboxes. Lightboxes are fantastic tools for creating engaging pop-ups that can capture your visitors' attention effectively. In this instance, we'll be selecting the Subscribe option. However, remember, this is a personal choice, and you can explore different designs that suit your website better. For this tutorial, we'll stick with Subscribe. The beauty of this Subscribe Lightbox feature is its simplicity. This design doesn't overburden your website with excessive decorations. Sometimes, less is more, and a simple pop-up with an email and a subscribe button is just what you need. That's exactly what our goal is here, a straightforward, clean subscription prompt for your customers that seamlessly fits into your site's design. Now, you can adjust the design according to your preferences. Make sure the pop-up aligns with the overall aesthetics of your website. This continuity enriches the user experience and ensures that your subscription prompt doesn't seem intrusive. Once you've customized your subscription pop-up to your liking, you're one step closer to engaging more effectively with your audience. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated an email subscription pop-up into your Wix site. It's a simple yet powerful tool to grow your mailing list, engage visitors, and keep your audience updated with your latest content. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Wix website's potential. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.